Oh, he's a graduate from University of Georgia. Go Dogs. That's pretty neat that they got his picture right there. Located just a couple miles down the road from Camp Patton near downtown Lakeland is a small lake on the north edge of town called Lake Irma, where a memorial trail and boardwalk lays just off the eastern spillway of the lake called the Robert Simpson III Memorial Trail. And you can see there's a small roadside parking area and picnic area here on the map. This old bench looks out at the sunset over Lake Irma. It's beautiful, and for late August, not as hot out at this hour as it has been most of the summer. Part of the reason why we've waited till now to record this video. On the memorial stone marker at the trailhead, we read that Robert Simpson was a native of Lakeland, a farmer and a timber businessman for nearly half a century. He graduated from the University of Georgia in 1950, Go Dogs, and served in the Army with a tour in Korea. He was dedicated to the community here and obviously well-loved, hence this well-known nature and biking trail in his memory. Let's take a look. And again, this is just the spillway from the eastern edge of the lake, kind of like a waterfall here on this little overlook with a picnic table and a high rail that looks out high over this sort of cove area, a deep pool drop area right here as the spillway gives off into a creek.
And then so there's these steps right here.
Edge of the trail.
You can walk down these steps right here. So this goes. Steps look a little sketchy. Okay, maybe I won't walk down there. Anyway, so you can go down to the water right there. Boom, fishing. Wonder if you could throw a cast net in right there. And then what? So this goes further down over here. And then they've got some picnic tables over there, but just looks like they kind of need some repairs done on this little bridge. Oh, there's more tables over here. I should have brought the gimbal, but
be sure to watch this video all the way to the end as the sun starts to set really quickly towards the end. It gets a little eerie.
So that's pretty cool. Really beautiful. Yeah, like for snakes, you mean? Or alligators?
And we're walking close to sunset. The camera makes it look kind of dark, but it's actually still bright enough, plenty to see. Just a beautiful area to look through. On the South Georgia Connections website, they have some trail information that says this trail is a pristine environment with abundant plant life. That's true. Natural bogs and fishing on Lake Irma. And the trail is free, family friendly, and suitable for all ages.
Beach right here. Oh yeah, look at this. It's kind of teeming with life here. I wish we had brought the cast net now, or a fishing pole. Water's moving pretty good right here. Yeah, but once we get the so cool.
I guess important to note that some of the boardwalks and bridges and things built in here a little overgrown, but honestly it gives it quite a bit of character and is just more interesting and beautiful to look at in my opinion. And it's a little bit overgrown, which makes it feel very lush, but also it's very wild looking too. To be there, so you had to kind of watch your step and take good care that you're not stepping on something that you're not supposed to. And in some cases, if you're noticing any weird camera angles or I'm not pointing at the direction I'm walking, it's because I'm trying to avoid a couple of unsightly things. There's obvious signs it's close to the city, so there's some obvious signs of people leaving trash behind. That's we usually try to pick stuff up as we go along, but it was in some areas a lot more than I can just fit in my pocket. So if you do see trash, help out, leave no trace. And if you're a park goer or frequent any of the locations that we highlight, let's do our part and pick up, even if you're picking up after people. And certainly don't be the type of person that leaves things behind for others.
How would you like to have this out behind your scout hut? That'd be kind of cool.
This is new.
Huh? You have a fallen tree right here. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Well, and I'm in the mud now. Okay, it's a little thick right there. So just be careful walking through right here. I thought I was gonna get, oh yeah, I did get pretty muddy right there. Yeah. There's a little pavilion right here. So that's pretty cool. A little picnic pavilion. So a good spot to have a picnic or a shady spot. And then another little bridge that goes across right there. Yeah.
Yep, and you saw that bridge over there that you wanted to go down?
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna come out.
Cool. Okay. This bridge looks kind of old and water steppy. Right? Yeah. Is it?
Yes.
I really don't want to. There's a little hole right there. Okay. Well.
Where's your face, Daniel?
Well.
Not over here.
I don't know if that's what you call that, but anyway, that's a pretty cool. All right, and now, as the sun is setting, it's a little darker back here now. It's this whole tree down right here. So this is a little boardwalk right here too.
Yeah.
You just can't see it because of the... So you could go up this way. Big hole in that.
Yeah, and that just leads to the street.
Oh yeah, that leads up to the road right there.
Yeah.
And then so we go this way across that bridge.
Yep.
So that bridge, it looked like it had something down on it too. There we go.
Oh, that would be right there.
What's that? Oh yeah, right there.
Charlotte.
See if I can zoom in on it enough. So we're gonna go back.
Let me go first.
We're going down the back side of the... really tall grass right here. I don't know what that was. It just hopped in front of me. It was like a frog or something. Hmm?
Let's hope it was.
Ain't no hoping. A lot of little limbs and stuff down, but not too bad. Still an easy walk through here. Try to open up the...
Oh yeah, we're waterlogged over here. Ferns. Some people pay good money for a fern in a pot. I can come back out here with a potter and set down a fern. Big spider web. Thank you. Okay, I'm sure there's a huge giant spider on me now.
No, he climbed up back onto the tree. I saw him.
Oh, good. Not gonna verify that. I'm just gonna keep going. Try to pretend like everything's okay. Which way? Just straight on through here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go through the weeds right here though. I'm in my work clothes. Oh, it's very wet right here. Okay. Trying to figure out. Wet no matter what, probably. Oh. Whew, pretty wet right here. Everything's mushy. That's good right there. Oh yeah, there's a tree branch over top of this guy right here. He's not supposed to be there. If I had brought some lopping shears or a chainsaw, I'd have got rid of that myself. All right, well. Oh, spider web again in the face. Got it. Crawling on hands and knees. Okay. Well, that did it. I like the decorative touch with the lattice work here on this bridge. Here we go. This is a wide view of the stream right here. That's pretty cool. The water's deep right there. Look at that. Some elephant ears. So random. Just out there in the middle. It's cool because somebody's come out and I guess built all these bridges and boardwalks and stuff. I think that's cool. And then this is like a little extra long one right here. Takes a turn to the right. Not too bad a shape, but maybe in need of some extra work. You all right back there, Andrew? Where'd you go? Ah, I see. Okay. So we don't come out. I see. So it's not meant to be, we don't come out on the same side. Just across the road. See, there's the one first overlook. And a big rock. That's kind of cool. Oh, did you see that? Oh, there is no way I just did that. Did you just see that? Man, I hope I was steady enough. I'm gonna get up on this thing. Did he come shooting down the thing there?
Right over there.
Or did he swoop down in here? We came from that side over there. Somebody got them a bamboo pole here. And then that's the way out right there. This is kind of cool. A little bit, like a little front lawn thing right here. And a beautiful sunset over Lake Irma. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for joining us here at Lake Irma and the Robert Simpson III Nature Trail. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out this video.